one. Let's do another one, Hayden. No, I don't want. Is there a bee? Hey, yeah.
I had one.
She wiggled it.
Dallas had an extra.
Careful. Far away from you. Hold it out.
Move upright.
Good job. Thank you. Careful. Whoa!
What? Look at Ida.
Don't run into Dennis. Do circles.
Like this.
Ready.
That's good.
Can I do it?
It worked.
Slide it.
What? What's this do? Climbing panda. Has anybody tried to do stuff yet? Want this one? That's fun.
It's a baton.
Mm-hmm.
Did you like
Oh, it fell over.
Stand it up! Stand it up!
Come on. Oh.
Oh, that's neat.
Oh.
I have another one. You want to do this one? He walks here.
I said that. Ow. Ow. 34. Ow, Hayden, you're hurting me. Ow, Hayden, you're hurting me. Ow, Hayden. Quit, please. It's done.
When you're done, you shake them, and then you step on them. Here, let go. Let go.
It only shoots 10 balls.
Step on it. Step on Hayden. There you go. Hold it up. Don't shoot it down.
Hold on. Hold on. Wait.
Hang on. Let me see something. We got more.
Stand here. 10. Good. It's done. There's just 10 of them. Let go. It's hot. Always something like that.
Grandpa, can you do this one?